Okay, good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? The mathematical induction of second method, divisible by that given function is divisible by 11, 12, 13, 9, 8, this type of methods. Though in the second method, two parts, normal numbers divisible by numbers, or second method divisible by x minus y, x plus y. Okay, this is the second method. So let us go to the next method. What is the problem? X prove that x power 2n minus y power 2n, x power 2n minus y power 2n is divisible by x plus y, divisible by x plus y. First, already discussed what is the divisible by 2. Divisible by 2, divisible by number means what? Divisible by 2 means 2 into positive, 2 into integer. 2 into integer means that number is divisible by 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 2. Okay, second table is always divisible by 2. Okay, so 3 into 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, this type of numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 into integer, okay, 2 into p, where p is integer, 2 into k is integer, any constant value, that constant is called integer. So already yesterday completed one model method. What is the 3 power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 8 is completed. So next another problem, so many problems are there. Is divisible by 11, divisible by 27. These two problems are homework. So next method is x power 2n minus y power 2n is divisible by x plus y. Divisible by x plus y means what? X plus y into integer. X plus y into 1 is divisible by x plus y. X plus y into 2 is divisible by x plus y. So what is the first method? Same procedure is same. First p of n solution. P of n is equal to x power 2n minus y power 2n. X power 2n minus y power 2n. So we have to show that, we have to prove that p of 1 is true. P of 1 is true means what? Put n is equal to 1. No. In the first method, LHS and RHS are there. So put n is equal to 1 in LHS, put n is equal to 1 in RHS. Both LHS and RHS are equal means so P of 1 is true. In the second method, there is no LHS and RHS, only single function. In single function, put n is equal to 1, apply the x is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1, that is equal to x square minus y square. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So x plus y into x minus y is divisible by x plus y, is divisible by x plus y, because x plus y into something, x minus y is taken as integer. Okay, so is divisible by x plus y. So p of 1 is, therefore p of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. So we shall assume that p of k is true for k belongs to n. P of k is true for k belongs to n. P of k is true anedi ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, we have to take. Okay, so 1 is true means something x plus y into something. So k is true means x power, put n is equal to k in the given p of n. 2 power k minus y power 2 power k is equal to, is already p of k is true means divisible by x plus y. So x plus y into p taken. Already this is true given. Okay, assume this is true. True means x plus y into p, where p is integer. P is integer. Whole p, not only p, q, r, s, anyone. So next x power. What is next main important point? This is the main point. This how many terms? 2 terms. The 2 terms is reduced into 1 term is equal to remaining terms. So x plus y into p. This is minus term goes to our left side or right side, plus y power 2k. This is the equation number 1. Compulsory. Okay, 2 or more terms is there. The term reduced into big term equal to the remaining terms. Okay, sum of the negative one. This is the equation number 1. Next, what is next? We have to prove that p of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true means what? In the first method, LHS, RHS type method problems, k plus 1, find out k plus 1 term and adding the k plus 1 term in equation number 1. This is the first method. So in the second method, divisible method, not only that method, the same method like that. Okay, don't like that. So this is nth term means n, kth term means n is equal to k. K plus 1 the term means n is equal to k plus 1. No. So put n is equal to k plus 1. X power 2 into k plus 1 minus y power 2 into k plus 1. No. Okay, is equal to, what we have to prove? Equal to that value, e k plus 1 the term equal divisible by x plus y means what? X plus y into some integer. We have to prove x plus y into integer. Okay, idu p of k plus 1 true agabekandre ee value k plus 1 term value equal to which one is divisible? X plus y into any integer. That means enough. Okay, so that is equal to x power 2k plus 2 into k 2 into minus y power 2k plus 2. So that is equal to x power 2k into x square minus y power 2k into y square, convert into this one. Okay, this is x power 2k value. X power 2k value is what? From 1 this value, substitute this value. Okay, so that is equal to x power 2k value, x plus y into p, x plus y into p plus y power 2k. This is the x power 2k into x square minus y power 2k into y square. So that is equal to multiply x plus y into p into x square plus y power 2k into x square minus y power 2k into y square. Okay, only multiply. Next, x plus y into p into x square. Next, y power 2k common, x square minus y square, y power 2k common. Next, that is equal to x plus y into p into x square plus y power 2k into x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. totally the total term common with x plus y, because divisible by x plus y means x plus y. X plus y is equal to p into x square plus y power 2k into x minus y. So that is equal to x plus y into q, where q is integer, say. So x plus y into integer means what? Divisible by x plus y. So p of k plus 1 is true. Therefore p of k plus 1 is true. The total term x plus y into the total any term, you don't know that value. Okay, you don't know that value means that is a, you say that is the integer. Okay, any number. So p of k plus 1 is true for k belongs to n. No, p of k plus 1 is true for k belongs to n. Last final step. Hence, by the principle of mathematical induction, p of n is true for n belongs to n. Next one, we have to prove p of k plus 1 is true, means k plus 1 the term, equal what? N is equal to k plus, substitute n is equal to k plus 1 means k plus 1 the term. That k plus 1 term equal to what we have to prove? X plus y into integer. That is the answer. So 2k plus 1, 2k plus 2, 2k plus 2, 2k plus 2, 2k into x square, because the fundamental formula x a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So this is a power m plus 1 is a power m into a power n. So this is x power 2k value. Substitute x power 2k value from 1. What is from 1? X power 2k value, x plus y into p plus y power 2k into x square minus y power 2k into y square. Multiply with x square into x plus p into x plus x square into y power 2k minus y power k into y minus square. So from the last two terms, common y power 2k. Y power to come x square minus yk. A square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So into the total term, from the total term common x plus y common, p into x square, y power 2k and x minus y. The total term taken into integer. So q. What is q? Integer. So x plus y into integer means what? Divisible by x plus y. This is the problem. Simple. All methods, each and every problem, each method is same procedure, but so simple calculation is thinking. Okay. So this is the second method. Next, third method. Next one, third method. Prove that 1 plus 1 by 1 into, not plus, 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 and so on, 1 plus 1 by n is equal to n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1. This problem. The first method is in each term between plus. So each term between into. Okay, this is the main point, into. So first one, p of n. Let p of n is equal, same procedure, 1 plus 1 by 1, 1 plus 1 by 2 1 plus 1 by 3 and so on. 1 plus 1 by n is equal to n plus 1. So we have to prove that P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true means put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. What is LH? LHS is equal to 1 plus 1 by n. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 is equal to 2. RHS. RHS is equal to n plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, P of 1 is true. This is a normal thing. Next, assume P of k is true. Same method. K belongs to n. What is P of n? Put n is equal to k means P of k. So 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 and so on. 1 plus 1 by k into k plus 1. This is the kth term. This kth term already assumed true. Okay. Next, now we have to prove that. P of k plus 1 is true. Now we have to prove that P of k plus 1 is true. So next, what is next one? K plus 1th term. K plus 1th term. Put n is equal, this is the nth term. 1 plus 1 by n is the nth term. In the nth term, n is equal to 1 means first term. N is equal to k means kth term. N is equal to k plus 1 means k plus 1th term. So 1 plus 1 by k plus 1. No. What is the next step? Adding k plus 1th term, both sides, adding, not adding, because multiplying, because each term in between multiply into. So here don't add, only multiply. Multiply k plus 1th term both sides of equation 1. Multiply, not adding. This is the main point. Okay, so you can understand? Clear? So 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by k into 1 plus 1 by k plus 1 is equal to k plus 1 into 1 plus 1 by k plus 1. K plus 1th term multiply k plus 1th term both side of equation number 1. So what we have to prove? RH side. We have to reduce RH side. What is the answer? N is equal to k plus 1 in RHS of given problem. So this is k plus 1 equal to k plus 1 into, in 1 by 1 plus k plus 1, what is the LCM? K plus 1 is LCM. K plus 1 LCM means k plus 1 plus 1. This k plus 1 cancel. K plus 1 plus 1. What is the answer? The given problem, what is the RHS? N plus 1. N plus 1 means k plus 1 plus 1. This is the answer, k plus 1 plus 1. So therefore P of k plus 1 is true. So hence by the principle of, last step is very important, by the principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for n belongs to n. Okay. In your exercise, these model problems are there, so that problems will do. Okay, we have to do. Next method, prove that n into n plus 1 into n plus 5 is multiple of 3, divisible by 3, multiple of 3, okay, is multiple of 3 into that number into 3 into something, okay. So first, same procedure, solution. Let P of n is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 5, multiple of 3. Okay, next. So we have to prove that P of 1 is true. Same, any type, first method LHS RHS method, second method divisible by method, third method multiple of method, any method, first we have to prove P of 1 is true. Assume P of k is true. We have to show that P of k plus 1 is true. Up to this same. So next one is small difference. So put n is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 5. So 1 into 2 into 6, 12. 12 is equal to what? 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is what? Multiple of 3. Okay, 3 into 4 is nothing but multiple of 3. Okay, next. So P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. Okay, listen carefully. P of 1 is true. So assume P of k is true. P of k is true. So what is P of k is true? K into k plus 1 into k plus 5 is equal to 3p. Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means of 3 into p. So now we have to show that or prove that P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true means P of k true means what? N is equal to k equal to some 3 into p, that value. K plus 1 is true means what? N is equal to k plus 1. So k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 6 is multiple of 3 means 3 into p. This one. So k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 5 is equal to what we have to prove? 3 into something. So first to so there is no gap. So plus 1 means what? K is equal to k plus 1, k plus 1. K plus 1 means k plus 2, k plus 5 means k plus 6 is equal to. So k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 1 plus 5. K plus 6 reduced into k plus 1 plus 5. Okay, clear? N is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 5. n is equal to k means k plus 1 into n plus 1 means k plus 1 plus 1, n plus 5 means k plus 1 plus 5 plus 6. So 6 means k plus 1 into 5. So multiply. K plus 5 plus 1 ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. K plus 5 plus 1. So first K plus 1 into K plus 2 into K plus 5 is 2 into 1 plus K plus 1 into K plus 2 into 1. Next. Okay, this is two parts. A, B, two parts. A into these two. K plus 1 into K plus 2 into K plus 5. K plus 1 into K plus 2 into 1. Next. This is two parts. K plus 1 into K plus 2 into K plus K plus 1 into K plus 2 into 5 plus K plus 1 into K plus 2. Next, so this multiply. Next, K into K plus 1 into K plus 2 or K plus 1 into K plus 2. K plus 1 into K plus 2, K plus 5, K plus 1 into K plus 2. Next 3P, K into K plus 1 into K plus 5. This is first. K into, this is first part, second part. So K into K plus 1 into K plus 5, K into K plus 1 into K plus 5 plus K plus 1 into K plus 5 into 2 plus K plus 1 into K plus 2. Next K into K plus 1 K plus 5, K into K plus 1 into K plus 5 plus K plus 1 common. K plus 1 common means 2 into K, 2K, that is 2 into K plus 5 plus K plus 2. So that is equal to K into K plus 1 into K plus 5 plus K plus 1 into 2K plus 10 plus K plus 2. That is equal to K into K plus 1 into K plus 5 plus K plus 1 into 2K plus 3K, 3K plus 12. So that is equal to K into K plus 1 into K plus 5 plus K plus 1 into 3 into k plus 6. So this is 3p plus this is 3p, k plus 1 into k plus 2, common 3. Okay, 3p plus 3 into k plus 1 into k plus 6. So common 3 common is p plus k plus 1 into k plus 6. So that is equal to 3q. So q is integer. 3 is integer. So first lesson first. K plus 1 into k plus 2, k plus 6 no, k plus 6 convert into k plus 5 plus 1 no. Okay, k plus 5 plus 1 no. First this is a, this is b, a into this one, k plus 5 into k plus 1 into k plus 2, 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Next, ek plus 1 is divided into two parts, k plus 2 divided into two parts. So first k into k plus 1 into k plus 5, because k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 value is there, 3p from 1 k into k plus 1 into k plus, that's 5. So k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 plus 2 into k plus 1 into k plus 5 as same as k plus 1 into k plus 2. K into k plus 1 into k plus 5 plus k plus 1 common, 2 into k plus 5 plus k plus 2. Same, first same. K plus 1 into 2k plus 10 plus k plus 2. 2k plus k is equal to 3k plus 12, 10 plus 2, 12. 3k plus 2 common 3, k plus 6. So k plus 1, k into k plus 1, k plus 5 value 3p from 1, 3p plus 3 into something. Both are 3 common, 3 into this one. This is a integer. So 3q is nothing but is a multiple of 3. So p of k plus 1 is true. So by the principle of mathematical induction, p of n is true for n belongs to n. These methods, the types are very important types. So maximum all types are covered. So this type of other problems, multiple of 6, multiple of 7, multiple problems, divisible by divisible problems. So some more problems are there. So we have to try. Okay, any doubt means okay. This is the mathematical induction. Okay. So continue tomorrow.